All right, so here is the premium mystery box that I purchased from Findlay. And yes, I did purchase this set of products from them. They did not send it to me. They're not paying me to do this unboxing or review. I have no association with this company whatsoever. I do like their products and I do like the way that they market their products. So I figured I would do a video on this one as well. If you want to see the other video I did, that is in the description bar. Let's open this up. First we have, looks like some new string for the hats. It's usually a couple stickers in here. There's another tie deal here for the string. Signed card. You guys can pause the video and read that if you want. And some things about the hats. So with this one, they include a sweatshirt, Findlay sweatshirt, and it has just their logo on it here. They have all kinds of different designs for their products that they do, Built for Good Times, Findlay Force, and it looks like that is all there is. Toltecs, never heard of them, made in Mexico. Feels like a fairly lightweight sweatshirt, which actually is not a bad thing. And so the next thing we have is a beanie. It's got their logo on it. That appears to be it. Decky is the brand they use for these. Also, we have some sunglasses. Findlay. But these are fine, they're lightweight, they're good throw around glasses. Next we have a t-shirt. That's pretty cool. Same brand as the sweatshirt, Toltecs. And last but not least, let's look at the hats, and that's it. So here we have this one. There's the pocket. I actually kind of like this color. I like the design of that too. Then we have this hat. It's got a teal design. I don't like this color as much. I mean, it's not horrible. I'll definitely wear it. Then we have this one here, which I actually really like this one. It's the Findlay logo, but they have skeleton hands doing the logo, which is pretty cool. I was actually hoping I'd get something with that logo on it. I like the color of the string. This hat actually isn't too bad. And there's the pocket there. Just open up this. There's the string. There's that deal right there. Get a total of 3 stickers, which in the last one that I bought, you only got 1. So there's that one. Now, as I alluded to in the other video, this is an American company that basically started this company from the ground up and slowly have expanded and expanded, which I have a lot of respect for, and it's part of the reason why I'm doing this video to begin with, and the last one that I did. So that's the entire package here. Not too bad. I'm happy with everything I received. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.